Duolingo's CEO, Luis von Ahn, has walked back his previous comments about AI replacing contract workers, stating that the company is continuing to hire and will support its employees in learning to use AI technology. This reversal comes after criticism from the public and backlash on social media, where commenters express concerns about AI replacing human workers. Von Ahn emphasized that AI will be used as a tool to enhance the company's work rather than replace it, and that the company is developing workshops and training programs to help employees adapt to the technology. This shift in stance is part of a larger trend of companies tempering their AI enthusiasm, following similar reversals from startups like Klarna and Shopify. There was also heavy backlash on social media after regarding the broader AI-first policy, which included phasing out human contractors and relying more on AI-generated language lessons. In response, the company deleted all its TikTok and Instagram posts and went silent for several days. When it returned, it posted a bizarre video message featuring a masked employee complaining about corporate overlords ruining the company's social media presence. The video's tone was seen as defensive, satirical, and avoidant, and users were quick to call out the company's attempt to address the controversy in a non-serious way. Despite the company's success and growth, the backlash highlights the challenges of navigating the expectations of users and employees in the age of AI.